The Samsung Galaxy S26 and Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra have been spotted in hands-on images. They appear to have a slab-style design with slightly curved edges. The Samsung Galaxy S26 is seen with a triple rear camera unit, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra has a quad rear camera setup, which is a camera design that's similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung hasn't confirmed the launch timeline of the Galaxy S26 series. Recent leaks suggested that they will go official in February 2026. The lineup is rumored to include the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Concrete evidence reveals Galaxy S26 Ultra to support 60W charging. Galaxy S26 Ultra leaked colors white, silver, black, purple. Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a 200MP ISOCELL HP2 sensor with a new lens, a 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 50MP periscope sensor offering 5x optical zoom. The 3x telephoto sensor is also receiving attention, with Samsung reportedly testing a 12MP unit powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with 16GB of RAM in all storage variants, which reportedly remain unchanged. The 6.9-inch display with COE technology is expected to be the same size as its predecessor, with only minimal changes to the display bezels. It will reportedly use Samsung Display's M14 material set paired with COE technology. The S26 Ultra is said to employ a 5000 mAh. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.